welcome to day 40 of Art with Addison. Today I will be teaching you how to tie-dye. For today's craft, you will need some gloves, an apron, a disposable trash bag or tablecloth to cover your surface, a white t-shirt or some white socks to tie-dye, a spray bottle with water in it, some tie-dye paint which you can buy online or in a tie-dye kit, some rubber bands, and some grocery bags. First, you are going to get your shirt completely wet just so it's damp, not soaking wet, and make sure you get both sides. To make a spiral design, first lay your shirt or item of clothing flat out, and then depending on where you want your spiral, you're just going to pinch. So this one, we're going to do it in the middle of the shirt, but you could do it on the side or up at the top or at the bottom. So you're going to pinch and just slowly twist so the shirt bunches in. Like this. And then with the ends of the shirt, you're just going to wrap it around. Now that it's scrunched up into a spiral like this, slide your rubber bands underneath your shirt to hold it together. And so I'm just going to do 3 rubber bands to make basically 6 pieces of pie. So it should look something like this. To make your tie-dye paint, get your bottle with the powder in it and get some warm water and pour enough water so that it fills up to the line on your bottle right here, and then shake until it is all mixed together. Now tip your bottle completely upside down and squirt out the paint onto your shirt. And for your pattern, you can either alternate colors or you can do one color on 2 sections like this. So that's what we're doing here. Make sure you cover all the white spots. Once you've completely covered one side, flip it over and do the other side. Now put your tie-dyed clothing into a trash bag or a grocery bag like this, tie it up and let it sit for 24 hours. To make a stripe design, get your article of clothing and spray it with water so it's damp. Make sure you get both sides. And then get a rubber band and just wrap it around tightly. And you can do this how many times you want, depending on how many stripes you want. Now apply your colors according to the section. And you can do whatever pattern you'd like. Now put it in a plastic bag and let it sit for 24 hours. To make a burst design, make sure you get your piece of clothing wet, and then you are going to gather up a little piece and bunch it up. And at the bottom, you're going to tie it off with a rubber band. And you can do however many of these that you want. We're going to do another one on this side. Now get one color and go around these little bunches that you've made with your rubber bands, all around the base. And then get another color and put it onto these little knobs that we've made. And once again, once you're done dyeing, put it in a plastic bag and let it sit for 24 hours. Once your tie-dyed clothing has been sitting for 24 hours, rinse it while it's still in the rubber bands, and then take the rubber bands off and rinse it completely again, and make sure you get both sides. And you can do this inside, in a bathtub, or a sink, or outside. Once you've completely rinsed out your tie-dyed clothing, wash it in your washing machine on cold, separate from any other clothing. Then dry it to set your colors.